Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I am going to show you how to make this fish. It is very easy and you won't believe how easy it is. So if this is your first time on my channel or you are a returning viewer and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. Let me also use this time to send a very special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. So when I'm done shopping, I'm gonna head on home and show you how it is done. So I finally got home, so I'm just gonna clean the fish. There is really no special way to clean the fish. I'm just rinsing them, but feel free to clean your fish whichever way you want. There is one other thing that I'm not gonna be doing this time, and that is gutting the fish. Most people normally gut their fish during cleaning, but for this recipe you don't have to. Just rinse it, but if you prefer to gut it, feel free to do that. But traditionally, those people that sell smoked fish don't do it because they have to make a lot, so they don't have time to be gutting all the fish. And sometimes when you start gutting the fish, they're gonna start ripping, so there is no need for it. But like I said, feel free to gut your fish if you want to. Because the fish are frozen, I'm just gonna let them sit and defrost while they drain out. So it is time to fold the fish. In case you don't know how to do it, let me show you how it is done. It is a little bit cold, but I'm just gonna flex it a little bit so that it will be easier to fold. But if it is not too cold, it's way easier to fold. But you don't have to fold it if you don't want to. You can just leave it as it is. After folding it over, I'm going to pass the toothpick through the lower jaw, through the fish tail, and through the upper jaw. I'm also going to repeat it one more time for you to see it, but if it is too hard for you, you don't have to do it. You can just bake it as it is, or you can cut it into smaller pieces. After folding everything, I'm just going to bake the fish. There is no need to salt it or add anything, but if you want to spice it up, add whatever you like. But trust me, this fish is so delicious, you don't need to add anything. The oven is set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the same as 190 degrees Celsius. So I'm just gonna bake it for about 45 minutes to an hour. I'm gonna flip them halfway so that they can bake on both sides. After 1 hour, the fish is ready. They look exactly like the ones smoked. They even taste as if they were smoked. You're not gonna miss the smoke. This fish is so delicious that you don't even need the smoke to enjoy it. I know I've said a lot of smoke, but a lot of people don't understand that smoke also adds flavor to food. So the fish is ready for anything you want to cook it with. And let me show you another way to enjoy this fish. You can eat it with bread. It is so delicious. It's gonna taste as if you are eating sardine because it is very oily. So delicious. If you have never tried it, give it a try. You're gonna be so surprised. So you can also enjoy it with soaked curry. It is yummylicious too. You can add it to any soup, jollof rice, stew, whatever you want to add it to. It goes perfectly with almost everything. The taste of this fish is out of this world. Can you imagine? I did not add anything, not even salt, and the fish tastes this good. You have to taste it to believe it. So if you are living in the diaspora and you want to eat smoked iced fish and you cannot find it in your area, or maybe you can find it, but trust me, it is cheaper for you to make it. Why don't you go to the store and go get yourself some fresh iced fish and make your own smoked fish by yourself? I promise you, you're gonna enjoy it. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.